Hi, I'm Glory St. Germain. In this 7-minute video, you will learn a new innovative rhythm and rest system. In simple time, the top number is 2, 3, or 4 and indicates how many beats or pulses per measure. The pulse is where the rhythmic emphasis falls in a measure. If the top number is 2, the pulse is strong, weak. 3, the pulse is strong, weak, weak. 4, the pulse is strong, weak, medium, weak. The bottom number is 2, 4, 8, or 16 and indicates what kind of note equals one basic beat. If the bottom number is 2, a half note equals one count. 4, a quarter note equals one count, and so on. Time signature is determined by variations of pulse that each equal one basic beat. One of the rhythm and rest questions that is often a struggle is how to add rests to complete each measure. It seems the answer was never really solved and was just expected to be known, and the complex concept was confusing. Then, on a late night writing session with Sheila, we created the innovative rhythm and rest system of using the plus sign to join or combine pulses and an old Spanish symbol called the tilde sign or the squiggle to not join pulses. Here's how adding these symbols to our exclusive UMT technique changed frustration into success. The rest rules are: the plus sign indicates to join the strong plus weak or medium plus weak pulses into one rest. The tilde sign indicates to not join the weak tilde medium or weak tilde weak pulses, and these must use two separate rests. Now this makes it easy to understand when to combine rests. In 4/4 time, the basic beat is 4 quarter notes. The pulse is strong, weak, medium, weak. And the scoop is a visual representation of one basic beat. Join the scoops together when the note or rest value is combined. Always complete one beat at a time and always begin with what you have. At the end of the first measure is a half note, so we cross off basic beat 3 and 4. The pulse indicates a strong plus weak, so we add the plus sign between the strong plus weak and combine both beats 1 and 2 into one half rest and then cross off the basic beats. In the second measure, we have 1 quarter note, so we cross off strong beat 1. Looking at the second beat, we notice the pulse is weak to a medium, so we add the tilde sign between the weak tilde medium as the weak beat stands alone with 1 quarter rest. Cross off beat 2. The pulse of medium to weak may be combined, so we add the plus sign between the medium plus weak and complete the measure with 1 half rest and then cross off beat 3 and 4. In the last measure, beat 1 and 4 are complete. The pulse is weak to medium, so we add the tilde sign between weak tilde medium and complete the measure with 2 quarter rests and then cross off basic beat 2 and 3. In 3/4 time, the pulse is strong, weak, weak. In the first measure, we always start with what we have. We have 1/8 note and we add 1/8 rest to complete beat 3. We add the plus sign to combine the strong plus weak pulse into 1 half rest and cross off beat 1 and 2. In the final measure, beat 1 is complete, so we add the tilde sign for the weak tilde weak and complete the measure with 2 quarter rests and cross off beat 2 and 3. When using this simple method of always writing the plus sign when joining strong plus weak or medium plus weak and the tilde sign when not joining the weak tilde medium or weak tilde weak, you will easily see how this applies to all simple time signatures. Question: plus or tilde sign? Simply by making one small change using this rhythm and rest system, you, like Gabrielle, can easily score 100%. A whole rest fills a whole measure with silence in any time signature. However, there are 2 exceptions to break the rule when it doesn't fill a whole measure. In 3/2 time, a whole rest receives 3 beats of silence and is used for a whole measure, strong plus weak plus weak. In 3/2 time, a whole rest receives 2 beats of silence for beats 1 and 2, strong plus weak, when a half note value is on beat 3. In 4/2 time, a brev rest fills the whole measure, strong plus weak plus medium plus weak. A whole rest receives 2 beats of silence for strong plus weak or medium plus weak pulses. When we learn rhythm and rest in simple time, we need to understand basic beat and basic pulse. What happens in compound time when we have a dotted compound basic beat and compound pulse? And in hybrid time when we have combinations of dotted and undotted hybrid beat and hybrid pulse? Well, this is where it gets a little more complicated. I want to show you how to leverage this new system for high performance learning, starting with the basic theory level through to the advanced theory level. Imagine how successful you will be with understanding rhythm and rest more effectively when you dig deeper into these secrets and learn how music theory math will transform your results virtually overnight. You can click the button below and get started right now.